Hey guys, how's it going? Once again, this is Ewan Henry with Tech in My Life. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. So if you guys are like me when you're out and about shooting, nothing worse. There's absolutely nothing worse than missing a shot. Then you're out hiking or you're out doing some street photography and something spontaneous happened and you're not able to get to your camera quick enough to get the shot. Well, I think Ulanzi solved this problem with their camera backstrap clip. Now, this device right here is their camera backstrap clip. So what this actually allows you to do is attach this clip to your backpack strap. Say that 3 times, backpack strap. And once it's attached to your backpack strap, you have quick access to your camera. So let's put this on so you guys can see what I'm talking about, how well this works. The design is really great. So before I put it on, I want to show you guys the back of this clip. So the back is very smooth. Now, if you're like me and you like sweaters, that's important because you don't want the back having any sharp edges or any way to snag on your clothing. This is so well thought out. The back is smooth. There's a button right here. And once you press the button, it releases the clasp. So you can quickly put it on and take it off of your backpack if you want to change backpacks. But if you're like me and you got a couple backpacks, you just buy 2 of these and bam, bam, boom, problem solved. But if you only have one, then you can change from backpack to backpack very quickly. Okay, let me show you guys how quickly this can go on. So here's my backpack. Now I like the clip on my left-hand side, and I'll show you why in a second. So here's the clip. Like I said earlier, you press the button and it releases. Now, once it's open, it looks like this. There's an inner part that you fold out, and then there's this. There's like a flap, and then there's a clamp here, okay? So this flap, you take the flap, and you just put that on the bottom side of your backpack strap. And then that stringy part, you just kind of pull it over. And you pull it over and it fits in like this. So once that's on, all you do is press this down. And what's that? 30 seconds. It's on. The reason I like it on my left strap is this button here. When I have the backpack on, I feel like I have, because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, you can probably switch it around and it'll be better for you, but I'm right-handed, so I have quick access to this button. Now this button right here, it goes up and down. When it's up, you can press it and the camera would release, but when it's down, the camera is locked in there. So if you're out hiking and you're jostling around, it's locked when it's down. And the cool thing about it being locked when it's down is that it's in a gravity position there. It's more likely that gravity will pull something down, so it's down rather than up. And, if it's up and something happened, it'll pop itself back down to keep the camera locked and secure. But it's this easy. And it's on there, and to take it off, and if you want to lock it, pull the strap down and it won't come off, or you release it by pushing up and release the camera. That quick, that convenient. Now, of course, it's great with a camera, right? It's awesome with a camera. But if you have something like a GoPro, you just attach the F38 mount to it, and look at that. If you're out walking the city and you just want to catch some cityscape footage, or you're out hiking again, 2 things I like to do, boom, you have your GoPro on here and you're just walking around and you're capturing everything as you're walking around. For me, this is an awesome device that fixes a problem I've had with getting to my camera quickly, having it being in a secure place. When I have my camera strap on, sometimes my camera bounces around. I don't like that too much. And if I have my backpack, because I'm carrying different lenses or other equipment in there, this just makes it easy to have equipment, have my camera easily accessible, and it's just all good. So guys, thanks again for watching. This is Ewan Henry with Tech in My Life. This is the F38 backpack strap clip by Ulanzi, and you guys can pick one of these up. By the way, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I'll leave links down in the description. So if you guys purchase and a little something comes back to me and this channel, I really appreciate that. And while you're at it, if you found this information here useful, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button because I will truly appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Between now and then, stay safe. Peace.